Hi guys! Welcome sa Engineered Math Channel. Sa video na to ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-change ang improper fraction to mixed number and vice versa. So kung gusto nyo itong matutunan, just keep on watching. So I have a video about fractions at kung hindi nyo pa ito napapanood, pwede nyo muna itong panoorin just to have concepts about fractions. Anyway, diniscuss ko rin dito yung two types of fractions which are the improper fraction and mixed number. So, improper fraction, these are the fractions that have numerator greater than the denominator. So, for example, 9 over 2, 5 over 3, 7 over 4. So, these are the improper fractions. Since mas malaki yung numerator sa denominator. And then we also have the mixed number. So examples of mixed number are 1 and 1/2, 2 and 2/3, 3 and 1/5. These are mixed numbers. Since meron silang combination of whole number and then a fraction. So that's why they are called mixed numbers. So now, improper fractions and mixed numbers can be changed from one to another. So if you have an improper fraction, pwede mo tong i-convert sa mixed number. At kung meron ka namang mixed number, ay pwede mo itong i-convert sa improper fractions. So tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano gawin yon. So let's start muna sa pag-convert ng mixed number to improper fractions. So convert 1 and 1/2 to improper fraction. So we are given a mixed number which is 1 and 1/2. Now, in order for us to convert this sa improper fraction, the first step is i-multiply natin yung denominator na 2 doon sa whole number. So, let's multiply it. We have 1 times 2 is equal to 2. And then, the answer, let's add to the numerator. So, we will add. So, we have 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And this 3, this answer of 3, siya yung magiging bago nating numerator. So, magiging 3 over the denominator will be the same as the original. So, we still have 2. So, if we convert 1 and 1/2 to improper fraction, we have 3/2. Another example. Let's try to convert 3 and 1/4 to improper. So again, let's multiply the denominator by the whole number. So we have 4 times 3, we have 12. And then let's add the answer to the numerator. So we have 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. And therefore, like what we did on the first example, our answer will be the new numerator. So we have 13 over, and the denominator will still be the same. So we have 4 as the denominator also. So therefore, our final answer is 13 over 4. One more example. 6 and 5/9. So again, let's multiply the denominator by the whole number. So 6 times 9 is 54. And then let's add the answer sa numerator. So we have 54 plus 5 is equal to 59. Therefore, this final answer will be the new numerator. So we have 59 over the same denominator, which is 9. So therefore, 6 and 5/9 is equal to 59 over 9. Now, let's try to convert an improper fraction to mixed number. So for example, convert 35 over 9 to mixed number. So, in order for us to convert this, we need to perform the division. So, 35 over 9 is the same as dividing 35 by 9. So, divide natin yung 35 sa 9. And then we have 35 divided by 9 is 3. So, we have 3 times 9 is 27. 35 minus 27 is 8. So, therefore, we have the answer of 3, remainder 8. So, kung isusulat natin ito using mixed number, we will write the quotient as the whole number. So, therefore, we have 3. And then, the remainder, which is 8, will be the numerator. And then, copy the same denominator, which is 9. So, therefore, 35 over 9 is equal to 3 and 8/9. So, another example, 26 over 11. So, again, we will perform the long division. So, we have 26 divided by 11. We know that 26 divided by 11 is 2. 2 times 11 is 22. 26 minus 22 is 4. Therefore, our answer is 2, remainder 4. To write this into a mixed number, we have the quotient of 2 as the whole number, the remainder of 4 as the numerator, and then copy the same denominator, which is 11. So therefore, 26 over 11 is equal to 2 and 4 over 11. For the last example, we have 33 divided by 7. So again, we'll perform natin yung division. We have 33 divided by 7. 33 divided by 7 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 33 minus 28 is 5. Therefore, we have the quotient of 4, remainder 5. In order for us to convert this into mixed number, we have the quotient 4 as the whole number, the remainder 5 as the numerator, and copy the same denominator, which is 7. So therefore, 33 over 7 is equal to 4 and 5 over 7. So, since we know now how to convert a mixed number to improper fraction, pwede nating i-check kung magpapareho ba yung nakuha nating mixed number sa original improper fraction. So, let's try to convert again our answer for 4 and 5/7 into improper. So the process is, let's multiply 7 by 4. So we have 4 times 7 is 28. And then add the answer doon sa numerator. So we have 28 plus 5 is equal to 33. And this final answer will be the numerator over the same denominator. And therefore, nagtali yung sagot natin sa original improper fraction. So, ito ang process ng pag-convert ng improper fraction to mixed number and mixed number to improper fraction. So, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na to at maraming salamat sa panonood.